No baking, no mold needed. Just mix and it's ready. Let's start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk to a bowl. Then add 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. Now, let's mix everything well. Next, add 200 grams of cream and 300 milliliters of milk, then mix again. Now we'll add unflavored gelatin. I used 2 pre-hydrated packets. After adding, mix it thoroughly. Once dissolved, pour it into a cut milk carton. Cover the top with plastic wrap. Refrigerate until it sets. Once firm, unmold and enjoy. Look how amazing this dessert turns out. Cut the carton sides, it'll release easily. Dust with powdered milk for extra flavor and beauty. Just slice and savor. See how wonderful this dessert looks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.